Here's another really easy card I made today with the Wildflower Designs stamp set and the Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper. Now I know that this paper looks like birthday paper. It looks nice and bright and playful and fun, but I thought that I would just use a black stamp pad to make today's card just so that it would be super easy and fast. And then I just put it on with this polka dot design, and I just really felt like stamping on the flower with the black ink just really was cool. Like, it just made it easy and fun, and that's what I'm doing right now, is some really fast cards. So I added some of this twine as well as one of the sentiments from the stamp set, and I added it onto one of the stylish shapes dies, which are a staple in my stamp room. And look how easy this turned out. I hope that you will be able to use a layout like this to make some easy and fast cards, and I hope that you enjoy it. Hop on over to my website for all of the details and measurements and everything, as well as direct links to find all of the products. Thanks so much for being here. Made to create with Lisa.com.